Okay, what you're looking at is, well, you might think it's a rabbit cage, but it's not. It is meant to hold parakeets. It is, what is it, 3 feet wide, 2 feet high with the legs, and the cage itself is about 28 inches high. I use 1/4-inch hardware cloth. The frame is a 2x4 that I ripped into 1x2 strips. Put those together. The wood you see inside is holding screws because I don't want screws getting the birds. Use staples all the way around. Use 1.5-inch brass hinges. The only thing I could find for the locks was just the deadbolts. I don't need that much for a parakeet, but so they are living large and in charge. Just screwed together with torque screws. It's not perfect, but it's the first one. There's more to come if I need to make more, but the parakeets will have one heck of a home.